Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Rabbit R1 challenges smartphones with AI first approach, Japan's Slim mission achieves historic moon landing, Paytm reports Q3 FY24 financial result, Beta Vault claims new battery tech with 50-year lifespan, Elon Musk X introduces audio and video calls for Android users, Microsoft's Brad Smith addresses AI and misinformation challenges, OnePlus 12 India price briefly listed on Amazon and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Rabbit R1, a pocket-sized AI device, aims to revolutionize smartphones with a voice-based interface and reduced reliance on apps. Priced at $199, it's gaining attention, but doubt persists about the broader shift from smartphones to AI-first hardware. The future of AI-driven devices replacing smartphones is a topic of debate, questioning whether headsets or handheld will lead the way. Japan's smart lander for investigating moon SLIM successfully landed on the lunar surface, making Japan the fifth nation in history to achieve this feat. Concerns arise about potential issues with solar cells impacting SLIM's operational life. The lunar excursion vehicle deployed by SLIM provide hope for additional data while JAXA works to resolve the solar cell issues. Paytm records a 13.2% increase in revenue, reaching rupees 2,850 crore in Q3 FY24. Revenue from payment services to merchants contributes 38%, experiencing a 69% increase. Employee benefit expenses account for 37% of total expenses, with a 24% reduction in losses to rupees 221.7 crore. Beta Vault, a China-based startup, claims to have developed a coin-sized nuclear battery lasting 50 years without charging. The battery undergoes testing and envisions applications in aerospace, AI equipment, medical devices, and more. Its layered structure is touted to be fire-resistant and suitable for extreme weather conditions. X, Elon Musk venture, introduces audio and video calls for Android users through an app update. The feature, available for premium users, allows customization of calling preferences, including settings for who can initiate calls. X also unveils a new basic paid tier for verified organizations priced at $200 per month or $2,000 per year. Brad Smith, Vice Chair and President of Microsoft, discusses the transformative impact of AI on the world and challenges posed by misinformation. Proposes three key measures: transparency through labeling, coordinated industry response to deepfakes, and public education for informed citizenship. Emphasizes collaboration, technology commitment, and public awareness as crucial components. Amazon India accidentally lists the OnePlus 12GB plus 256GB variant with a price tag of rupees 69,999 ahead of the official launch. The accidental listing aligns closely with a previous leak suggesting a price between rupees 58,000 to rupees 60,000. The leaked US pricing for the same variant is $799, approximately rupees 66,240. The OnePlus 12 is expected to feature a 6.82-inch QHD plus 2K OLED display, 5,400 mAh battery, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.